cannot say enough good things about this computer chair. I love it so much. It is excellent quality. And the big game changer for me was that I spend a lot of hours at my computer editing videos, and my butt gets really sore after a while. So I have been using like a donut pillow for years with my regular computer chair because it would just hurt so much to sit for that long. But with this computer chair, I have retired the donut pillow. I don't need it at all. I can sit in this chair endlessly, and I don't get the same pain from sitting there hour after hour. And I think it's because it's not a regular cushion seat, but rather this mesh that has a lot of give to it. So it just forms to me instead of pushing up against me. So that alone has made this chair a life changer for me. I also love that it glides very smoothly. There's a lot that's adjustable on it. The arms can swing out. You can of course adjust the height of it. And the back even goes all the way back. If you pull out this little latch here, it goes all the way back. And it even has a pull out footrest. So you could really lounge and play video games in this computer chair. It was super easy to assemble and took under 15 minutes to put together. It comes with the instructions, hardware, and tools that you'll need, so you don't need anything extra. I couldn't be happier with this chair, and I highly recommend it.